Happy New Year to you. 2016. If you didn't accomplish everything you wanted to accomplish in 2015, I wish you happiness and prosperity in 2016. So, if we haven't connected in any of the social media platforms, please feel free to add me. Let's connect. I do this little thing called Gunstep, hence the video. I do this little thing called Gunstep on Facebook and Google Plus. And I love to share it with you. So please, add me. Let's connect or check it out. You don't have to add me to check it out on one of those platforms. So Gunstep for the day is, we all have issues. We all have issues with our family members. You can't really choose your family. So Gunstep for the day is, regardless of what it is, I've learned this the hard way. Put God first in your life. When you put God first and you remain positive. Maybe it's by reading positive books, listening to positive audios, surround yourself with positive people. The odds are when certain things come into your life, certain problems come, it's easier to handle them if you remaining positive. So I don't want to get into a debate about religion. Everybody, if you don't believe in God, that's fine. But I'm sure you can believe in positive, negative energy. So with that being said, that's Gunstep for the day. Try to remain positive. Put God first. Like I said, for me personally, I put God first, and I try to remain positive, and that's helped me out a lot. So that's Gunstep for the day. Don't forget to put a thumbs down if you didn't like the video. Put a thumbs up if you did. Like, share, subscribe, and guess what? I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.